Hi guys, my name is Henry. I'm from California. My previous career was working in law enforcement for over a decade. And this year I just wanted to do something different. So I looked into something different on online marketing, but I was just really frustrated with so much that's out there. They're telling do this, do that, educate this, educate that. And based on my previous training experience, it's always about having a solid foundation. So I looked on YouTube, found an affiliate link to Legendary Marketer, follow Legendary Marketer, and I liked how it was a step-by-step type of business, and it shows you how you can create your online business with the proper steps. So it was just really frustrating on before. Now I'm actually glad I got in this because I had no idea how powerful it is. So now I'm here and I took the risk. It's well worth the risk. We're in this beautiful mansion. I've never been in a mansion before. We're in this beautiful mansion with people that I've met all around the world really that came here, and just talking to them, and we all have that same common goal that we want to make a change in our lives and a difference in our lives. So if you're a person that's looking for a way to make providing income, or you have a passion, or you want to create your own business, then I would suggest you take action. Get your foundational education here. It's really changed me. It's changed a lot of other people. Thank you for your time.